Introducing the PEGATAH IV8W, a compact and professional CCTV camera tester designed specifically for analog and HD coaxial systems. If you're working with AHD, CVI, TVI, or CVBS cameras up to 8 megapixels, this is the field tool you need to get the job done fast and accurately. Featuring a 5-inch high-definition TFT display with 800 by 480 resolution, this tester delivers crisp, real-time video so you can verify camera angles, focus, and quality on the spot. It also supports PTZ camera control, with built-in Pelco-D and Pelco-P protocols, making zoom and lens adjustments simple and precise. The 4.8W supports both HDMI and VGA input, with resolutions up to 1920 by 1440, letting you troubleshoot DVRs and monitors directly in the field. And with its built-in DC 12-volt, 1-amp power output, you can power cameras during testing without an external power source. Need to check continuity or troubleshoot signal issues? No problem. This multifunctional device is designed to save time and reduce the number of tools in your kit. Important to note, this tester does not support IP cameras, and it should not be used while charging. For best performance, fully charge the internal lithium battery before use. Whether you're installing new cameras or maintaining an existing system, the PEGATAH IV8W gives you the reliability, clarity, and functionality professional technicians trust.